Hello friends. So today we will be discussing how we can create a portfolio website in 10 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Creating a portfolio website in 10 minutes, even more. You don't have to code a single line. I'll show you how you can create a website and host a website from scratch in this video. So this video is for those who are aspiring photographers, videographers, designers, or anyone who is involved in any kind of art field, or if you want to showcase your work to the world. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Before jumping to website development, I would like to clear here that we will be using Adobe Portfolio for creating our website. Here I am expecting that if you are into any creative field, you must have Adobe subscription, and if not, I highly recommend you guys to get it. Let me show you what subscription I am using. See, I am using this photography plan. So if I go into the details, the per month cost of this plan is 797, and in this plan you get Photoshop, Lightroom, Lightroom Classic. Apart from all these, you get 20 GB of cloud storage and Adobe Portfolio and Adobe Fonts. So I would highly recommend you can go and try it out these things. So now let's open the Portfolio website. Portfolio.adobe.com. As you can see, I have already developed one site using this. Let me quickly show you that site first. See, so we will be developing this website using this portfolio service provided by Adobe. So let's start and jump into creating the website. So once you start creating the website, it will ask you like what theme you want to choose. I'll go with this theme. So once you finalize the theme, you can just check like basically where how it will look in tablet, how it will look in phones. So it will allow you to make a very responsive website. So let's use this theme. So this is your editor. Like in this editor, you will be creating your website. So I'll start with this column. So I'll explain you what are the pages. Pages are basically what you see here. This is like their work is one page and contact is another page. So these are your pages. Now if you click on this, you can see like currently you have two pages. You can add a page like this. You can create a custom page, you can create a welcome page, you can get the Lightroom album. I'll discuss this later in this video. Now I would like to discuss the theme. If you want to change the theme, you can go here and select any another theme you want. The other thing I want to discuss here is settings. Settings, firstly like domain name. Here you can choose any of your custom domain. Like for example, I want Yash Photos Collection. So now my website name will be www.yashphotocollection.myportfolio.com. The other thing is this search engine optimization. So here you can give your website title and some meta description. This is basically for the search engine to index your website. So you can just give like it's related to photos here. So I'll give photos, or this website consists of photos, photo collection. The other thing, you can put your custom tags, like for example, like you can give how this website is related to. For example, this website is related to photos, videos, or games. You can put the tag here for the search engine to give you the indexing, like so that your website will rank up in the Google. So these are all options provided here. Other option you can use is like disable and enable the right click on your website. If you want the user to do the right click on your website, you can enable it, else you can disable it. These are the few options. The other thing here is logo, like you want to hide and unhide the logo. You want to hide the navigation bar, you can hide it. The other is like footer. Basically, you want to show the footer or not, like footer is there. Other, there are some global style of the pages. You can just enable and disable and see what basically they do. Like this hit hides this box. Okay. So yeah, if you want to change the font, so you can just click on this. You can pick any font you want. For example, I want this font. I can make it italic. I can make it underlined. I can choose the color of what I want. I can align it by using these options. I can set the margins also. So from the top, from the bottom, I can put the margins. Now you can edit the text by clicking on this. You can create your own text. Okay, now start adding the pages in your website. Suppose I add a page bird and it will be inside this page. So I'll make it okay. So it will add your this page, bird page. You can upload any image here if you want. For example, you want to upload a bird image, you can upload it. Now you can also have a photo grid kind of stuff where you can upload the images. See, I want to upload these two images in this grid. Let me open this. So it will be uploaded here. So in this way you can upload your images. If you want to add text, you can add text also. Suppose I want to add the text. This is my first website. You can add the text here, and even you can add it the footer. You can just go here and you can just edit the footer also. Copy. In order to save the changes, you have to click on this button, publish site. So it will save the changes. You can view your site by clicking here. I'll go back. I'll go back to the home page. See, this is how our website is looking currently. The other thing I want to show here is like you want to then create another page, suppose videos. So you can upload the video directly from your system. So this is a video upload option. You can upload any video directly from your system, or you can also take a video from YouTube. For example, let me show you an example. Let me open YouTube. Suppose I need this video. I click on share. I'll get an embedded code here. I'll just copy it. I'll come here. So here I'll paste this. See, you are able to get the video here. I'll go and update live site. You can visit your site. See, you get a video here in this page. If you want to change the ordering of your page, you can do it by going here. You can just drag and drop these pages like this. Your ordering will be changed. So this is a video page. This is this page. See, it is also asking if you want to add a cover page. You can add a cover page here. Suppose I want to add a cover page, this one. This is our cover page. Let me go back. So if I want to change the theme of my site, I want to make it dark, I can do it like this. It will make it dark, light. Even I can upload a picture here. Suppose let me upload this one. You can update the live site. Now you can see your website. See how cool it is looking. Other thing is like your contact. So this is your contact form. So anyone who visits your website, he will get this form. So they can give your name, email ID and send you a message and submit it. So once they will submit it, you will get an email in your website and you can check it out like who has contacted you via your website. So this is a basic idea of Adobe Portfolio. By using this, you can create your website. There are many themes, you can explore those themes, you can explore all these options, and in one click, your website will be up and running. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.